Hello everybody, welcome. Today's episode is going to be a full ride POV. We are at SeaWorld today and we are about to ride Icebreaker, which is their brand new, most recent roller coaster. It is right behind me and we are going to jump on this thing and see what it's all about. And it is going to be a full ride, so hang on tight. There's the full ride POV. What did you think about Icebreaker? Our first time ever riding it.
Well, when I stopped literally at the bottom, I don't. No, I did. I got it and then
It was surprisingly short. And at one point we were flying on the roller coaster and I saw this like hill with a twist in it and I was like, ooh, I can't wait for that part. And then I realized we had already passed that part.
I did the same thing.
And I didn't even realize it. So it was a little weak for me. It did feel more like a kiddie ride. It does kind of remind me of Face Off, which was a roller coaster that we had back home in Cincinnati, Ohio, at Kings Island, which is kind of like a forward and go backwards. So it was like really short. It was fun though. I liked it. It was less than a 10-minute wait. It was super short, and it's a brand new roller coaster. It doesn't have a long wait, which I think tells you something about how great of a ride it is. I think there's better rides here at SeaWorld. They've already announced a new ride going to be coming here in another year or two, so I'm excited for that. But Icebreaker's a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed this POV video. Until next time, the Noble Way.
It's the easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.